Hello friends. Today we are going to study one of the most important constitutional authorities of India, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, commonly known as the CAG. The CAG is the supreme audit authority of our country. His main responsibility is to audit all the receipts and expenditure of the government of India, as well as the state governments. Through his audits, the CAG ensures that the public money is spent legally, properly, and efficiently. Constitutional position. The office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is a constitutional post. It is mentioned in the Constitution of India under Articles 148 to 151. These articles deal with appointment of the CAG, his duties and powers, and conditions of service. Because the CAG is a constitutional authority, he enjoys independence from the executive, which is essential for impartial auditing. Role and functions. The CAG audits all receipts and expenditure of the union government, all receipts and expenditure of the state governments, public sector undertakings, and government-owned companies. The CAG acts as the external auditor of government companies, ensuring transparency in their financial functioning. After completing audits, the CAG submits his report to the President of India for union accounts and the Governor for the state accounts. Head of Audit Machinery. The CAG is the head of the Indian Audit and Accounts Department, also known as IA and AD. This department was created as early as 1753, making it one of the oldest audit institutions in the world. Through this department, the CAG supervises audit and accounts functions across the entire country. Appointment of CAG. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by the President of India. However, the appointment is made on the recommendation of the Prime Minister. After appointment, the CAG takes an oath of office and secretary before the President. This process ensures both constitutional authority and executive accountability. Tenure of office. The tenure of CAG is 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. This fixed tenure ensures stability and independence, allowing the CAG to function without fear or favor. Salary and service conditions. The salary and service conditions of the CAG are determined by the Parliament of India. At present, the salary of CAG is 90,000 per month. Importantly, the salary and allowances are charged on the Consolidated Fund of India, meaning they are not subjected to parliamentary vote. This further strengthens the independence of the office. Independence of CAG. To maintain complete neutrality, the Constitution clearly states that the CAG is not eligible for any further office, neither under Government of India nor under any state government. This prevents any conflict of interest and ensures that the CAG performs his duties independently. Removal from office. The CAG can be removed from office only through a procedure of impeachment. This process is the same as that of removing a judge of the Supreme Court. Removal can take place only on the grounds of proven misbehavior or incapacity. This makes the position of CAG highly secure. A relationship with the Parliament. CAG plays a very important role in parliamentary control over finance. He acts as the friend, philosopher, and guide of the Public Accounts Committee (PAC) of Parliament. The PAC examines CAG reports and holds the executive accountable for financial irregularities. Eminent CAGs of India. The first CAG of India was V. Narahari Rao, who served from 1948 to 1954. One of the most well-known CAGs in recent time is Vinod Rai. He became famous for exposing major financial irregularities such as the 2G spectrum scam and the Commonwealth Games scam. These audits highlighted the strengths and importance of the CAG's role. Status and precedence. In the Indian order of precedence, the CAG is ranked 9th. He enjoys the same status as a judge of Supreme Court of India. This high rank reflects the constitutional importance of the office. To conclude, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India acts as the watchdog of public finances. He plays a crucial role in ensuring financial discipline, promoting transparency, and strengthening democratic accountability. Without the CAG, effective financial control over the executive would not be possible. Okay, thank you.